boys and girls. Welcome back to Math with Mrs. Sutton, mathematicians. I'm so excited you're here. All right, so today, boys and girls, we are going to talk about numbers and place value. And remember, this week we have been working on 5 different ways to represent numbers. So we're going to do a review. What we're working on is I can read and write numbers to 1,000 using base 10, numerals, number names, and expanded form. Alright, here are 5 different ways to show this number, the same number. There's standard form, which is 921, just the digits. Using base 10 cubes, and notice that we have 9 flats, or 9 hundredths, 2 tens, and 1 1, 9 hundredths, 2 tens, and 1 1, 921 in the word form, and expanded notation or expanded form is 900 plus 20 plus 1. Which of these ways do we see most often? You're right, we usually see the standard form most often. All right, we are going to play a game to review. I'm going to take some dice, and we are going to practice writing our numbers in 5 different ways. So what I need you boys and girls to do is to go get either a small dry erase board if you have one, or if you don't have one, that's okay. You can get a notebook, and this can be your math notebook for the year, or just a piece of paper. And I want you to go ahead and divide your paper in half, and then from left to right in half again. And pause this video, and I'll be here right when you come back. All right, you should have your paper or your whiteboard all ready, divided into 4 sections, one going up and down and the other one going from left to right. And we are going to roll the dice. All right, my blue dice is going to be my hundreds. My purple dice will be my tens, and my yellow will be my ones. Alright, so in the middle of your paper, right in the middle, I want you to write the standard form for this number. Remember, blue is hundreds, purple is tens, and yellow is ones. Is this what number you guys got? Did you guys get 516? Now, I want you to go ahead and write down the word name, then draw out the number for what it looks like using the hundreds, tens, and ones. Write your expanded notation or expanded form. Remember, expand means we're stretching it out. And then the place value. All right, go ahead and pause this video. All right, is this what yours looks like? Did you write the words 516? Did you draw your base 10 cubes? 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 1 group of 10, and 6 ones? And your place value, you have 6 ones, 1 10, and 5 hundreds? Ooh, I should probably redo that 5 and hundreds because that looks a bit sloppy. Did you do your expanded form of 500 plus 10 plus 6? If so, good job. All right, erase your board, or you can get another sheet of paper or just turn your paper over, and we're going to do it again, but with a different number. Go ahead and divide your paper into 4 sections. Okay, remember, our blue will be our hundreds, our purple will be our tens, and our yellow will be our ones. So let's roll our dice. Ooh. Blue is 1, Purple is 2. Yellow is 2. I want you to go ahead and write it in standard form right in the center of your paper. Standard form. Good job, you got it. Now, I want you to pause this video, and then you are going to write it. Oops, sorry guys, I'm trying to, just one second. Okay, you are going to pause this video, and I want you to write it in word form using your base 10, place value, and expanded notation. You ready? Go! All right, good to see you. Check yours with mine. The word should be 120, then the hyphen, 2. Then you should have a 100 block, a 10 block, and 2 ones. Remember, I don't just put dots for my ones because I want to really be able to see that they are ones. Ooh, I forgot the standard form, 122. For my place value, I have 2 ones, 2 tens, and 100. So 2 ones, 2 tens, 100s. And my expanded form is 100 plus 20 plus 2. Y'all are so smart. We're going to do some review tomorrow, and then you're going to have an assignment tomorrow to do all by yourself to show all the things you've learned about place value and how to represent numbers. See you tomorrow. Bye.